We are PGM Reball. We manufacture small and miniature ball screws for aerospace, defence and space, and we also have a ball screw repair and refurbishment facility. I approached Made Smarter support because we're expecting a significant increase in the volume of the business starting from this year, 2026, and there were a number of pain points in the business that I thought we could benefit from having a digital solution for. So primarily the two major issues were about production scheduling and just keeping the production flow moving as the volume impacts us, but also specifically about the way we manage and control and provide tooling consumables which enable the CNC machines to machine the metal, and we were spending quite a lot of money on that side, so it was a way to try to reduce costs as well. So Made Smarter helped in three ways. First of all, they helped us with the digital roadmap, which gave us insights that we wouldn't normally have been aware of. We were able to apply for the grant funding for capital equipment, which de-risks the project, and we also had access to Aaron, our digital intern, that helped us implement the project. The digital intern has been critical to the implementation of our Made Smarter programs, primarily because it gives you an excellent resource, and so that you don't need to spend as much time and effort and resource yourself to implement the project. Aaron, our digital intern, has focused on databasing all the tooling consumables that we had in the business, collating them all in one place, and then working with the vending machine provider to spec out the configuration of the vending machine. In terms of the future, my primary focus will be to achieve Cyber Essentials and Cyber Essentials Plus, because we have a lot of systems now that use the cloud, so we need some kind of protection. And then more specifically, we'll be moving forward with our MRP system and really trying to implement that. I'd highly recommend Made Smarter. It provides you opportunities not only for grant funding so that you can move your projects forward faster, but it gives you really objective insight into what's possible and what's available.